Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. I'm Mahesa aka Ukilala12. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing for this NORTEC streaming microphone. Oh, this microphone, it only cost me for 15 euros. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing video. Alright, let's get into the video. So this is the front side. As you can see, there's the adjustable volumes, and my cat is here. And there's also the 6 LED modes, which is very awesome because every day you can change the color everywhere, like anytime, any color. Like there's only 6, I think, so, but you can also do whichever you like. There's also the 3.5mm jack plug-in, and you can also rotate with a 360 horizontal rotation. That's quite nice, I think. So this is the right side. You can mute or unmute from the top with the metal stand. This is very crucial for me because the metal stand, it really helps it to anchor down the microphone, and because my cat is always playing with my keyboard and my mouse, and they just like to go back and forth, so I think it will help. And this is the same for the left side. It's just different color like green, blue, and red. From the back side, it's just the description in different languages, like in English, in Dutch, or in French. Upside and downs, just like a different labels. So I'll just cut this. Let me get my knife, and don't forget my cat's tail. And just cut it here. Wait. Is it correct? Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, it's quite light, but it's 15 euros, so it's, I hope that it will be like a best quality, because I heard it a lot that people that bought this, they were really surprised because of the quality. And then the, because I thought that sometimes when you buy something that's very cheap, it comes out very cheap as well. So let me just grab something. How can I open this? Like because it's very very sturdy, or maybe it's because, wait, is it, does it stick? Yeah, because I really need to open this. Yep, because there's some glue on it. So open this. So inside the box there's nothing besides this, so I'll just put it here. Oh, this is not sponsored at all, so I just want to let you know that, because I found this very interesting for 15 euros. So this is like a manual guide. So yeah, maybe I'll read it later. Ooh, this is the metal stand. It's very heavy. It's not very like 2 kilos, I think, but it's very sturdy. Like, I don't know if you can hear it, but it is a metal stand. So, and there's also this pouch that will help for this not to move around. This one is the speed protector. That's what I call. And also it's like a net, like a bug net that you can use. It's apparently you need to put it in front of the microphone. So this is something where you need to put the stand, I think. So it's basically right there. And this is the microphone. It's, to be honest, it's very light. I wasn't quite sure if it's very heavy, but knowing the price of it, I think it's mostly plastic with the different components inside. So basically all I have to do is just put it right there. Assembly, I need to assemble everything, and then let me just put it there. Wait, is it good? And then put it here. That way it will just stand like that, and I put that. And this is the USB type C with the connector to the PC. So I will adjust everything, and I'll see you in the review video. Okay, so I installed this microphone. As you can see here, you can check with the glowing light, and also you can also change this color if you just want to change on the up button, like this part. And I'm talking here, and as you can see, like I'm doing like a different size, like different distant comparison. Like if I put this on my desk, like you can also hear my sound. It's a very quiet sound, I think, but if I just go back, and you can still hear my sound. It's very good normally, but I think that it can go better if it has like a big microphone, like an extension, or maybe it will work very good if you have like an extension where you can just move around a bit. And so far I'm using this during my stream, and it's okay, I guess. For 15 euros a microphone, I think it's good. So I recommend you like testing this out yourself, and then go send me a comment like if you really enjoy using this, or like are you regretting buying this. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you do enjoyed it, please leave a like and comment, and don't forget also to subscribe. It really helps me a lot for this. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and see you into the next one. Bye.